Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero to Excel. This is an incredibly useful skill if you need to analyze your financial data offline, create custom reports, or share information with team members who don't have Xero access. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click on the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This is your main hub where you'll be able to access all of Xero's features and reporting tools. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the reporting menu. You'll find this option in your main navigation bar. Click on it to open up the drop-down menu, then select all reports from the options that appear. This section houses all the financial reports that Xero generates based on your business data, from profit and loss statements to balance sheets and custom reports you may have created. Next, you need to choose which specific report you want to export. Browse through the list and click on the report that contains the data you need. This could be something like a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or any custom report you've previously set up. If you've already saved a particular report configuration, simply click on its name to open it. The report will load on your screen with all the relevant financial data displayed. Once your report is fully loaded, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Export button. Click on this button to reveal your export options. This is where Xero gives you flexibility in how you want to save and work with your data outside the platform. You'll now be presented with 3 different export options. You can choose to export your data as a PDF, an Excel file, or directly to Google Sheets. Each format serves different purposes depending on your needs. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Excel option since it provides the most flexibility for data manipulation and analysis. Go ahead and click on the Excel option. As soon as you click it, the file will automatically begin downloading through your browser. You don't need to configure any additional settings. Xero handles everything for you. The download should complete within a few seconds depending on the size of your report. Once it's finished, you can open the Excel file and work with your Xero data however you need. You'll have full access to all the figures and can create additional calculations, charts, or customize the formatting to suit your requirements. And that's it. You've successfully exported your financial data from Xero to Excel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.